Hi guys, we're in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. Just take a look here. If I, that's the building that Florence Pugh jumped off. We have had a very busy week. We're just getting situated. So we've got some old clips from when we went to a popmart in a castle and got like a bunch of labubus. So just enjoy this and we'll be back with the food videos next week.
Last weekend in Vietnam, so we've come to Salt Mate and bought a million salt coffees. This place, honestly, if you've seen our video trying the coffee places, this place is like crack. It is the nicest drink I've ever had.
Look at that.
Even Julia's been converted to salt coffee with this.
I love it now. But I still got my egg coffee here.
Oh, it's just so good. It's like the perfect combo of salty and sweet.
I think I'm gonna mix this one.
That is class. It's sad to believe in. I will come back just for this coffee. All right, guys, actually, the main goal of today is to go to the popmart, which we've heard is a nightmare because Julia loves Labubu. Have you got your Labubu?
No, I left it home because I'm gonna grab more.
Because she's afraid to lose it. But that is the main goal for today. I know it's not normal, but
2 boxes.
yeah. Apart from that, we don't know what else to do here really. But we're gonna figure it out. But the main goal, again, is to find the popmart, stand in line for ages, and get a load of these little figures. My Pokemon collecting habits are rubbing off on her. I'm trying to prepare Julia for the fact that it's going to be a bit mental and that if she really, really wants it, we got to go right now. Oh, and here it is. It doesn't look open. This is the one Julia wants. All right, Jules is choosing the ones that she wants. I'm gonna go get a lay of the land, see how it all works. And so the trial begins. Try to go in, try to buy it. Got to come outside, get a QR code, put our registration details in here, and then wait in this separate queue, which is separated. And I'm sweating, I didn't even want them. But this is the price you have to pay. So, don't really know what's going on, but basically we had to sign up on something, and then it assigns you a time and a random number. We both got 10 a.m. And I'm number 11, and Jules got number 26, and I did mine after her, so at least one of us is gonna get it. And she wants it, and I don't want it, so this place is nuts.
Oh yeah, there it is.
So we go off again. There's a secret room, guy, set up 2 flights, there's these curvy ass stairs. I can already tell this is gonna be a nightmare, but this is our main goal.
Excited.
Show it. Number 26. Number 11. Now we get to see how much of a shit show this is.
I'm so excited.
I imagine it's going to be a bit of a shit show. We're all waiting for our assigned numbers. I can see people have 7 and 6, so 11. Let's see the damage. 588. 5 million. 5 million is the price. Okay, for all you Labubu fans out there, the only things they had left of the hot items was the Have a Seat blind box and the Coca-Cola blind box. I've just spent like £180 for Julia on these things, but look how massive it is. Look how big this bag is. Let me get the camera. This box is absolutely huge. And this one here Basically, for anyone that doesn't know about this, it's like Pokemon cards. It's like gambling. You have a certain chance to get a good one or not a good one. You can't get duplicates in these, but you're trying to get like a secret rare that may be worth loads of money. Julia wants just some normal ones. She wants a pink one and a blue one. I think that's the goal. But anyway, I managed to get both of these. Even though it was number 11, I was the first person in. So who cares about the queue system? You just got to be there early. So Julia's going to get the Skull Panda one, the other one that she wanted. And then we're going to have to figure out how to transport these to our next location and then try and send them back to the UK. That's the goal. And now I've got to carry this massive bag around with me for the rest of the day. So that's going to be fun.
She didn't. Is it on?
Yeah.
So I went there and I saw you got the big have a seed box that I wanted, and you got the Coca-Cola box that I wanted, so that's great. But then I wanted to get the big box of Skull Panda, and I told her, can I have that? And she was like, no.
All right, guys, context. We're at the hotel at the onsen. That's why my hair's wet. We're going to open all the Labubus now. I mean, Julia's going to open them, and maybe I'll open one or two, and see what we get. We're hoping for a secret rare.
Oh, I think I'm going to start opening the Crybaby Powerpuff. And I'm hoping to get the secret rare, which is Bliss. But if not, I'd be happy with Bubbles or Bunny Blossom. So, first one. That's so cute. It's the Blossom. That's adorable.
Nice.
Oh, I love it. Has such a nice feel to it. Okay. I'm not looking. The mayor. I got the mayor. This is one of those I really didn't want, but it's alright. Okay, now I'm gonna go with the Skull Pandas. And it's the Winter Symphony series. And I'm hoping, obviously, to get the secret, which is Symphony of Wishes called, I think. But if not, I'd be happy with Rhapsody, of course, pink. So, let's see. Nice. Oh, cute! Look at it!
Cool.
Next, the other Skull Panda. Let's see if we have better luck with this one. Oh. Ooh! Oh, wow, this one's nice. Like a rock star. This one is rock on. Nice. We gotta open the biggest one, which is the Monster series of the Labubus, the Coca-Cola series. Here we go. Ta-da! So I think, actually, in these, you either get this, or the secret, which is the one holding a massive can of Coke.
Oh, really?
So I don't think I got the right one. I don't think I got the Coca-Cola series I actually wanted.
Oh.
But it's alright. I don't mind this either, but let's see. Look.
Ah.
Which one is this? Cute. I like it. Didn't. Oh, we're gonna get the same shit over and over. No, it's not the same.
That's the one with the bottle.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, okay.
It's the same one!
Okay, one.
I don't think it's a secret. No, it's another. Oh no, is it different? No, it's the same. It's the same. 2 more chances to get the secret. Try not to look. Oh no, no!
3 Coke cans, and then the last one will be a Coke bottle.
Yeah, I mean, I like the Coke bottle, to be honest. I think I want to keep one of those. But let's see, last one. Last chance. I don't think it's it. Is it?
Nah,
okay, it's a bottle. At least it's a bottle. It's fine. It's fine.
3 bottles, 3 cans. They're cool though.
They are cool, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll just send them back home. Okay, so now we have the Monster series Have a Seat, which is the one I actually went to popmart today to get. So I'm very excited for this one. And hopefully we get the secret rare. For a Dada and a QQ. I think it's pronounced QQ.
The blue one And the pink one.
Yeah, but with the colorful eyes.
Yeah.
Okay. Gonna start with this one. Oh, so cute! I'm not looking. Oh, cute. I love the sleepy ones as well. What is it? Oh, yes!
Yes, that's what
I
you
got the
wanted.
Dada! I love it. This was adorable one. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. This is the cutest one. Try not to look at that card that spoils it for me. Let's see. Oh,
The new
and I got
one.
QQ.
Nice.
Perfect. These two are my favorites of this set. They're adorable. Oh, it's not a secret. Oh, but it's cute. Still cute. This one is Baba.
Baba.
This is Baba. Ah, it's Cece. Hee cute. What is it? Ah, it's not a secret.
Cool.
But it's okay, they're quite cute.
All right, guys, that was it from our hotel bedroom. Gambling went badly. No secret rare, but we got some good ones.
Still happy.
Yeah, nice. So, see you later. Bye.
Bye.